permits. They basically dug the garage out to the back of the lot.
Wow. Okay. I'll do the 3/8. So over easy.
Okay.
And bacon.
Bacon?
And no toast.
No toast? Okay.
I'm gonna have the crab benedict.
Crab benedict. Sounds good. Thank you.
There goes one. Yeah, it's all full of Studebaker trucks. 14-car garage. George's father, George Sr., was basically the one who collected all that stuff. And he was very active in the local Studebaker club. And he actually loaned me his tow bar to haul my truck.
So you back George?
Yeah.
Apparently he wants them all going first because he spits oil.
Oh. And they're gone.